Well, hey there guys, Elton McFall here, and look at this beauty I just stumbled upon with my friend Kev there in a parking lot next to a car show. I don't know why the guy's not entering it, maybe because he doesn't want to pay the $2 or something entrance fee, but man, that is, I think that's the nicest Malibu 64 convertible I've ever seen. I've seen maybe a couple of these. They got a high survival rate, but man, it's stock, factory stock, right down to the correct hubcaps. I'm sure that must be the original color, repainted, I'm sure, restored. Even the rims, man, that is fucking cool, man. That is, even the top is not white or black, it's that matching, like a chamois color. Unreal. What do we have here? What is this here? Oh shit, it's a 230 cubic inch motor. That means it actually could be a Canadian car even. Look at that, it even has the, give you a little lesson. These tires are original style tires. Those are called bias ply tires. They're also known as pie crust tires. Look how slim they are. Take a look at how slim they are. They're not wide at all. That's how they used to be. Wow, what a sweetheart, man. I don't know if I would ever buy one of these though, because I love the boats, but I love when a car is completely original. It's got the little chrome pieces added to the top of the headlights there. And of course, whenever I see one of these 64 Chevelle coupes or convertibles, it reminds me of one of my favorite movies, and maybe the greatest movie ever made, which is Pulp Fiction. And it features one of these. John Travolta owns it and drives it. So a straight 230 cubic inch, eh? Wow. What a fantastic automobile. It's amazing to see one of these stock. I don't think I've ever seen one of these 64. I'm not sure I've ever seen a 64 or 65 Chevelle that was completely original like that. I don't think I've ever seen that. The only thing that came close to that was a 65 Beaumont. Yeah, I know. I'm aware. Look at that. Look at the way they did the rear. It's like a Dodge Dart or a Charger, the way the window curves in. I didn't even know they were like that, actually. I thought that was a late 60s thing. Very groovy, baby. Very nice. I'm sure there ain't a lot of miles on that baby. Oh my god. Is that all undercoating? I can't tell. Man, oh man. What the hell? Look at that. It looks almost like it's got dual backup lights. It's weird. What a great car. What a great oldie. What a nice surprise. Here Friday night here in Laval, Quebec, just north of Montreal. It's funny walking up to it from over here. I thought it was a Chevy 2. By the way, a Chevy 2. Chevy 2. You know, Roman numerals, you know, like a Nova. I wonder if I can get a side view of this thing somehow, maybe. No, not really. We'll try. Let's give it another shot there. Right on. There you go, guys. Little thing for you to nibble on. Bye-bye.